G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a fantastic brand new house and land package, 57 Halcyon Drive in the popular and centrally located suburb of Wondunna. Let's go and take a look around. Enviably set on a low maintenance 540 square metre allotment in the highly sought after neighbourhood park estate, offering peaceful, friendly community living at its best. It is rare to find affordable bushland seclusion so close to everything. This brand new home is surrounded by leafy bushland, just a short drive away from key amenities including schools, sporting grounds, shopping centres, the esplanade, beach and emerald waters of Hervey Bay. Showcasing a light and spacious single level design, this home exudes modern sophistication to create an exceptional living retreat. Offering separate living areas, this home is ideal for families with teenagers or family living with them, not to mention those long forgotten guests and friends that are sure to arrive once they know you're living in beautiful Hervey Bay. Entertaining options abound with the stylish kitchen, dining and living zones, all superbly located at the heart of this home. Sharpen those culinary skills because your home will be in demand when summer arrives and you're ready to entertain. Simply throw open the sliding doors to the alfresco outdoor entertaining area and create one vast living hub, perfect for those afternoon barbecues with friends and family. The separate lounge room can double as a media room and is thoughtfully placed away from the main living zone so you can enjoy some peace and quiet or the latest blockbuster movie. Staying cool over the warmer summer months is a breeze with split system air conditioning across the main living area. This 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home has been built to an exceptional level. Intelligent use of rich textiles and quality fixtures are interwoven throughout to create a perfect architectural fusion between classic and contemporary style. The spacious main bedroom features a large walk-in wardrobe and lavish ensuite, and also offers direct access to the outdoor entertaining area as well. The 3 remaining bedrooms include built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans and are serviced by the main bathroom, which includes a bath and shower, and we have a separate toilet. The spacious laundry includes plenty of storage and direct access outside to the clothesline. Those looking to house a number of vehicles will appreciate the large double garage with remote panel lift door and direct internal access. There is also plenty of space to the side of this home to accommodate large caravans and boats. There really is nothing left to do except move in and enjoy the lifestyle that comes with living in beautiful Hervey Bay. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.